Norm, who decided snow gets to be all silent but thunder has to be loud.
What are you even talking about right now?
Like who made that rule for the weather?
Nobody made a rule, bub. That's just how sound works in nature.
But someone had to pick which weather sounds loud and which sounds quiet.
No, bub. Snow is silent because it's tiny ice crystals landing gently on things.
And thunder chose to be super loud on purpose.
Thunder doesn't choose anything. It's literally air getting ripped apart by lightning.
So lightning is the one making all the noise decisions.
Lightning creates heat, which makes the air expand super fast, and that creates sound waves.
But snow could do that too if it really wanted to.
No, it literally could not, because snow doesn't create heat or move air violently.
What if snow just hasn't tried hard enough yet?
Snow cannot try because snow is frozen water falling down, not a thinking creature.
Maybe thunder is just really bad at being quiet and polite.
Thunder is not bad at being quiet. It's literally an explosion of sound.
Did anyone ever ask thunder to maybe use its inside voice?
You cannot ask thunder to do anything because thunder is a physical phenomenon.
Physical phenomena should still have better manners than that, though.
Manners are for people, not for weather events happening in the atmosphere.
So who taught snow to have such excellent manners then?
Nobody taught snow anything. It just falls softly because it's light and fluffy.
Thunder could be light and fluffy too if it practiced every day.
Thunder is sound from superheated air. It cannot practice being something else entirely.
Sounds like thunder just has a really bad attitude about self-improvement.
I need you to understand that weather does not have attitudes about anything.
Maybe snow went to some kind of special manners school for weather.
There are no manners schools for weather phenomena. They just exist following physics.
But thunder clearly never learned to use its indoor voice at all.
Thunder does not have volume control because it is the sound of air expanding.
Air could expand more quietly if it really cared about being considerate.
Air molecules do not care about consideration. They just follow thermodynamic principles without thinking.
Snow molecules clearly think about things because they land so gently and respectfully.
Snow crystals are tiny and fall slowly due to air resistance, not respect.
What if we gave thunder some tiny snowflake lessons so it learns better?
You cannot give lessons to a sound wave traveling through air at extreme speeds.
Thunder probably just needs a really good role model to look up to.
Sound waves do not have eyes or brains to look up to anyone.
Maybe we could play recordings of snow falling near the thunderclouds.
Clouds cannot hear recordings because they do not possess auditory systems of any kind.
Then why does snow get all the credit for being peaceful and nice?
Nobody is giving snow credit. People just notice that it makes less noise.
Thunder probably feels really bad that everyone always complains about how loud it is.
Thunder does not have feelings because it is literally just vibrating air molecules.
Snow definitely has feelings because it looks so peaceful and happy falling down.
Snow does not look happy. You are projecting human emotions onto frozen water crystals.
What if thunder is actually just crying really loudly because nobody likes it?
Thunder cannot cry because it has no tear ducts or emotional capacity whatsoever.
Maybe thunder just needs a hug to calm down and be quieter.
You cannot hug a sound wave traveling at the speed of sound through atmosphere.
Snow would probably share its quietness if thunder asked nicely for some tips.
Snow cannot share abstract concepts because precipitation does not engage in interpersonal communication ever.
Then who made the rule that thunder has to be so incredibly rude?
Nobody made any rules. The universe just operates according to fundamental physical laws.
Physical laws sound like they have serious favorites when it comes to weather manners.
Physics does not play favorites. It treats all matter and energy exactly the same.
But snow gets to be all soft and gentle while thunder is always yelling.
That is just how mass and energy interact in different atmospheric conditions. Nothing more.
So somebody definitely chose to make the interactions unfair for thunder. Specifically then.
Nobody chose anything. These are just natural consequences of how the universe works.
The universe could work better if it was nicer to thunder sometimes.
I need to go lie down for a very long time now.
I brought proof that loud things can be quiet if they try.
What did you bring into this bathroom?
A tiny little waterfall in a cup.
That is water from the faucet dripping into a mug.
And it is being super quiet, even though waterfalls are usually loud.
Real waterfalls are loud because tons of water crashes down from great heights.
But this one chose to be polite instead.
It is quiet because there is barely any water falling, barely any distance.
So thunder could do that too if it just fell less.
Thunder is not falling, it is air expanding violently from lightning heat.
What if the air expanded gently instead of being so violent about it?
Then it would not be hot enough to make thunder in the first place.
So the sky could just heat up a little bit nicely.
That would not produce lightning or thunder, just slightly warmer clouds drifting around.
And the clouds would be way less rude to everyone.
Your waterfall experiment proves absolutely nothing about weather or atmospheric electrical discharge patterns.
It proves that loud things can learn manners if they want to.
No, it does not, and I am rejecting all of this immediately.
But my little waterfall worked so hard to be a good example.
Your faucet drip is not teaching physics or meteorology lessons to actual storms.
Maybe storms just need smaller cups to practice being quiet in first.
I am turning off this faucet and leaving this entire conversation forever.
Wait, do loud things get paid more than quiet things?
What? No, sounds do not receive salaries or wages of any kind.
But thunder gets all the attention during storms, not the snow.
Attention is not currency. Thunder is just a byproduct of lightning heating air.
So thunder is just showing off because it has lightning friends?
No, it is a physical consequence, not a social choice or status symbol.
Does snow feel bad that nobody notices when it lands?
Snow does not have feelings. It is frozen water crystals falling through air.
But if I was snow, I would want at least one boop.
You are not snow. Snow has no desires or preferences about sound levels.
What if we gave every snowflake a tiny bell to wear?
That would require billions of microscopic bells and someone to attach them all.
I could do it if you helped me on weekends.
I will absolutely not be spending my weekends attaching bells to snowflakes.
You never support my projects to fix unfair weather sounds.
Because your projects involve impossible tasks that misunderstand how precipitation and acoustics work.
What if thunder is just really insecure so it yells a lot?
Thunder is not insecure. It is rapid air expansion creating pressure waves.
Pressure waves sound like something an insecure sound would need.
That sentence makes no sense, and I refuse to engage with it further.
Could we train thunder to whisper by giving it cough drops?
No. Thunder is not a throat. It cannot consume cough drops or medication.
But my throat makes sound and it likes cough drops a lot.
Your throat is biological tissue with nerves. Thunder is just vibrating air molecules.
What if air molecules just need someone to tell them to relax?
Air molecules do not respond to verbal instructions or motivational coaching of any kind.
Have you ever actually tried talking to them nicely, though?
I have not because I understand basic chemistry and do not talk to gases.
Maybe that's why thunder is still so loud and grumpy.
Thunder is not grumpy. It has no emotional state whatsoever at any point.
It sounds pretty mad when it booms during storms, though.
That is you projecting human emotions onto a simple acoustic phenomenon completely incorrectly.
So we should teach storms about inside voices before they graduate?
Storms do not attend school or graduate. They form, move, and dissipate.
That explains why they never learned proper volume control manners.
I am walking out of this garage and never discussing weather etiquette again.
Wait, so who teaches snow to land softly then?
Snow does not receive instruction. It falls due to gravity and atmospheric conditions.
But it never crashes or makes boom sounds like thunder does.
Because snowflakes are tiny frozen crystals that lack the mass to generate sound.
What if we got all the snow together for one big landing?
That would be an avalanche, which is extremely loud and also deadly dangerous.
See? Snow can be loud when it tries really hard.
Fine. You know what? Maybe thunder is just snow that decided to yell.
Wait, really?
No, not really. I am losing my entire mind up here on this roof.
But you just said thunder is snow that learned to yell.
I said it because apparently logic means absolutely nothing anymore in this conversation.
So snow goes to yelling school and becomes thunder eventually?
Sure. They graduate with honors in being unnecessarily loud. I am done. Okay, bub. Let me ask you something for once in this disaster.
Okay, what?
Who actually decided that snow gets to fall quietly while thunder makes all that noise?
I don't know, Norm. That's what I've been asking you this whole time.
And I spent an hour explaining weather to a stick figure who thinks clouds have feelings.
So we still don't know who decided.
No, bub. We will never know. Nobody knows. That information does not exist anywhere.
Maybe we should ask the snow directly next time it falls down here?
Sure, you do that. I will be inside sleeping for approximately 3 whole days.
Okay. But if snow answers, I'm waking you up to tell you everything.